Hello everyone, Jabenda here. In today's video we take a look at the zIKON RW6 or zIKON RW6. This is a dimple lock with a very restrictive keyway. The picking itself is not too complicated because inside we have 6 pins. They are quite heavily tapered, so you have to correct them many times because they drop. A trick that will certainly make picking easier is to preset the spools, because when you get on faucet in such a tight keyway, it will be much harder to set the spools without dropping the already set pins. For picking, I will use the curved flag and this kind of tensioner. Okay, so let's see the guts. Alright, here we have the guts from the zIKON RW6. Main stacks are 6 pins. The driver pins are the 3 spools. Looks like this. They are slightly tapered, and 3 pins with distinct serration. The key pins looks like this one. They have serration as well, and they are quite heavily tapered, so they tend to drop, so you have to correct them several times when picking them. The right side of the core and the top have chambers for the passive pins, and while there is no trouble with the side ones, I got the impression that the top ones need to be moved slightly with the peak to allow the core to work freely during tensioning. I don't know why, but as I said, that was my impression. Here we have the key. Here we have the cuts for the main stack, 2 cuts for the top pins, and 3 cuts for the side passive pins. Here we have the housing with 2 grooves for the passive pins and 6 chambers for the main stacks. That's how it looks like, the keyway. As you can see, it is very restrictive. Pins are in this groove. Alright, so let's pick it. Okay, there is zIKON RW6. Clockwise tension, and I will start from the pin number 1 because it's binding at first. Okay. Now I have to get through the stop pins. Now they are set. Number 1 was dropped. I will try to preset some spools because I don't want to get a faucet in this keyway. 3. Number 4, and we have an open. Okay, so let's gut it. I will use a shim because inside we have a lot of chambers in the core. Okay, so here we have the top pins. And 3 passive pins. So that will be all in this video. That was zIKON RW6. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.